Good afternoon, my beautiful babies. Welcome back to my channel. What's Cooking Mama? Okay, today I'll be making chicken and shrimp Alfredo. Okay, and I already cleaned and washed the shrimp and the boneless, skinless chicken breast. All right, and then the seasonings that I'll be using are black pepper, basil, onion powder, parsley, oregano, adobo, garlic powder, a little bit of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, and I'll be using the canned classic Alfredo sauce. But I'm also going to be making my own sauce because I don't feel like this is enough, so I'll be melting down some butter, adding some flour and some Parmesan Romano cheese, and of course can't forget the LIngene. So that's what I'm doing today. Okay, hey you guys, my water's boiling for my LIngene, and I'm gonna put it in the water. They say don't break it up, but I usually break mine in half. That's what I usually do, but you don't have to break yours up, but that's what I do anyway. Put a little butter and just a little oil, just a little tap. You never put it in. Okay. And I'm gonna finish seasoning. I started to season my shrimp and my chicken with the seasonings that I showed you earlier. With a little bit of pepper. Just doing that. I'm gonna put my green beans on. I know I didn't make the green beans earlier, but I think I'm gonna make some green beans because you know I like my vegetables, so I'm gonna put. Chicken is doing good. Oh, it's doing well. It's cooking nicely. I'm gonna throw my shrimp in here. Put the top on it, and I'll be right back as soon as the chicken and the shrimp is done and the linguine is done, and we're gonna make that Alfredo sauce. I'll be right back. Okay babies, I drained my linguine. The water is draining out. So now what I'm gonna do is make my homemade Alfredo sauce. to go with this sauce here. Okay. I'm gonna put some butter in there. Turn it down a bit. Let it melt. That's the same pot that I had put some flour in there. Just need a little bit. Put a little milk. Okay, put the Parmesan cheese in. There we go. Get that nice and creamy. Right. Let's put a little milk just to thin it out a bit. Now we're gonna put these wings in. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be delicious. You put the Alfredo sauce on. I'm gonna put the Alfredo sauce in. Oh, one from the jar. Some green here is hot. Go in there. No way. Whole line. You know what it said? No, I gotta put my meat in there now. And then let it just sit a little bit. Because everything is done, you just stir around. Get your chicken, your shrimp, and put it in there. Just a little bit. And I'll be right back when it's done, y'all. Okay, you guys, here's the finished result of the chicken and shrimp Alfredo. That's my husband's plate, you know. Well, men can eat a lot. And there you go. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And this is the finished result. That's chicken and shrimp Alfredo with string beans. Okay? And also, go check out my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. Her channel will be down in the description below. Okay, I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.